All right, so we will be going over the installation process for wipers on a 2011 Ford Mustang. And I believe the process is pretty much the same for any Fords or most Fords around that year. So this video will help you go through that process without having to read the instructions. And so the first thing you want to do is it will come with a few adapters, but you need to remove the one that comes with the wiper already. And you do so by pressing those tabs. If you press those two tabs like so, the adapter comes off. And if you pay attention, each adapter has a part number that starts with the letter C. And the one for this car will be the C2. So just take a look at the adapters on the inside and look for the one that has the C2. In this case, this one, it's the one that you see on the video, but I did have to remove a smaller adapter that was inside of that one, which you don't need. So that C2 adapter, you place it just the way the other one was using the tabs. So to remove the existing wiper, you're going to press on that plastic tab and also push in on the little plastic tabs that are around it. And that will make the existing wiper go out. For the new one, you want to just slide it into place, just like it's shown. And then you want to bring down the clip or adapter down into place and make sure it snaps. And you're pretty much done. Don't forget to remove the plastic covering on your wiper and you're all set.